Solve the system of equations algebraically by using either the elimination method or the substitution method. I think either one would work. Let me show you both. In elimination, usually you have in the form of ax plus by equals c. So this is already set up to be eliminated in a different way though, but let's do it this way, where we have 2x plus 6y equals 18, shipping the 6y over, and 2x plus 4y equals 14, shipping the 4y over. Elimination method is where you're going to add the equations together in order to get one of the variables to cancel. To make that happen, you need them to be the same number like this is, but opposite signs. 2x minus 2x is 0x's, and so what we're going to do basically is take this entire equation and multiply it by -1. If you want, you can look at it as if we're subtracting, but let me rewrite the first equation, and then let me negate the second equation. And now I'm going to add these two together, canceling out my x's, leaving me with 2y because I have 6 take away 4, and then leaving me with a 4 on the right hand side because 18 take away 14. So when I divide by 2, I get the fact that y is 2, and I can go back to either of the original equations to get x. If 2x plus 6y is supposed to be 18, knowing that y is 2, that tells me that 2x plus 12 is 18. When you take away 12, you'll get that 2x is 6. Divide by 2, you'll get that x is 3. So that is the elimination method. The substitution method would be to solve for one variable. Let's say 2x equals 18 minus 6y. Let's divide by 2. 2x equals 18 minus 6y. Divide by 2. X is 9 minus 3y. Okay. So if x is 9 minus 3y, you take that if, so we're doing the substitution method. Just so you can see both methods. For substitution, you take and solve for one of the variables in one of the equations and plug that into the other equation. The other equation is 2x plus 14 is negative 4y, but we know now what x is, so 2 times 9 minus 3y plus the 14 should be equal to negative 4y. So we distribute the 2 across and get 18 minus 6y plus the 14 is negative 4y, and let's add the 6y over to give us 2y. Something didn't work out for me. Hold on, I made a mistake somewhere. 2x plus 14 is equal to negative 4y. What's x? 9 minus 3y? 6. Something's not working out. Maybe I made a mistake down here. Looks good. Oh, that 14 is wrong. Oh my gosh. So that's good. That's good. I did it 2 ways. I made a mistake. Let me show you. It's good you see me make a mistake. This equation has the 14 on the other side. So I made a mistake by leaving it as 14 when it really should have been a negative 14, which makes this a positive 14 after multiplying by negative 1, which makes this a 32, which changes the value of y. This is good. I'm glad I made a mistake. Okay, great. So it turns out that y then would be equal to 32 divided by 2, which is 16. Y equals 16. Okay, great. And if y is 16, we could take that information back and get the x. Sorry, about to make a mistake, but it's actually a good thing. 2x plus 6 times 16 should equal to 18. I believe this is 96. So that we take away 96 and jeez, what is that? 78. Yeah, 78. 2x then would be 78. Take that half of that, and I believe x is something like 39. So that mistake I made would have been found out here. Going back in the substitution method, I end up with 32 is 2y, or that y is 16. Take that back into the substitution. If x is supposed to equal 9 minus 3y, oh my gosh, another mistake. Wow, that's a negative 78. So a negative 39. Jeez, mistakes galore. Plug a 16 in here, and 3 times 16 is 48, but 9 minus 48 is your negative 39. Wow. Substitution might have been the best way to go. So many mistakes. Anyway, there's that question. Now we have a catering service placed an order for 8 centerpieces and 5 glasses. So X is going to be the cost of 1 centerpiece. And Y is going to be the cost of 1 glass. They ordered 8 centerpieces, 5 glasses, and the bill was $212. You multiply how many you're ordering times how much it costs to get how much you have to pay, what the bill is. They were short. For the wedding reception, they were short 1 centerpiece and 6 glasses, so they had to reorder. So the second order here will be for 1 centerpiece and 6 glasses, and that bill came to $48. So there is your system of equations. They want you to solve it using the elimination method. Take the second equation and multiply it by -8. In doing so, you'll be set up so that your 8's cancel. 8x plus, your x's cancel. 8x and minus 8x cancel out. Let me write the first equation over again. And let's multiply by -8 here. So we get -8x minus 48y. 48 times 8. 366 or something. 364. 384. 384. Negative. Negative. Alright, when you add these two together, your x's cancel. Gosh, we're going to need a calculator. Negative 43y. Yeah, okay. First off, let's just make sure that what we have is correct. 48 times 8. 384, okay, good. Take away 212, and you get 172. Divide, hopefully it divides evenly. It has to, yeah, no, that's the cost. It doesn't have to divide evenly. 43, 172 divided by 43. Oh, exactly 4, okay. And this was a negative 172. So when I divide by negative 43, you get that y is equal to 4. That's the cost of the glass, $4. One glass is $4. Let's go back to the reorder. X plus 6y should be 48. So x plus 24 should be 48. Because y is now equal to 4. 6 and 4 is 24. Subtract 24, and you get what x is, 24. The cost of a centerpiece is $24. The cost of a glass is $4. Okay, great. One more on this video. Solve the system graphically. Let's save that for next video.